10, and of course that list is dominated by IT stocks, and within that of course it's dominated by TCS. It kicked off the IT earnings season yesterday, beating street expectations in the first quarter. Reema is joining in with more details. Reema, tell us more about the numbers that has led to this 6% move.
Well, let me start with the big positives in TCS's numbers. One, revenues and margins were ahead of street expectation. Top line growth 2.2%. Margins declined 130 basis points, but not as bad as what the street was fearing. Two, the net hiring turned positive after 3 quarters, and it's the highest that we've seen in the last 7 quarters. The third one, and this is important because BFSI was under pressure for the company for the last 5 quarters, and now you're at least seeing some growth. It's less than a 1% quarter-on-quarter growth, but sectors like BFSI, high-tech have shown you marginal positive sequential growth, and that's being read positively, and it is a read-through for other companies, say like an Emphasis or an OFSS, Oracle Financial Services, which have a higher BFSI exposure. Fourth, the management of the company TCS reiterated FY25 is going to be better than FY24, and the AI pipeline is surging. We're not too sure how much of this pipeline converts into deals. We tried asking the management, but the AI pipeline is now $1.5 billion. That said, there are a few concerns. One, the deal wins declined by nearly 19% on a year-on-year basis due to delays in closure of some contracts. And the second one is that the management still sounds cautious. So despite a good start to the year, they're not calling out a recovery, a turnaround, a pickup in demand. They're saying it's too early to say if the demand momentum is sustainable. As of now, the client behavior is fairly unchanged. The stock trades at 25 times forward multiple. The Nifty IT index itself has seen more than a 4-month high, and now the one-year returns for most of these IT companies are above 25%, extending up to 40%. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Reema. Well, we also did speak to the top management.